Good morning, world. I am in Vermillion, South Dakota, and I stayed the night at a city park. It literally has a big sign that says City Overnight Camping, Vermillion Lions Parking, Historic City. So there's just like a half a dozen spots here. And there are bathrooms, although they were not clean. So I'm not even going to show you. So we're taking off today. I don't know where. To the next destination. So, is that a shower? What? Is that a shower? This door just popped open. Let me see. Oh my goodness. So, it is a shower. Check it out. Yeah. It's not exactly clean, but let's check out the other one. Oh, again, filthy. That's disgusting. People, why are you so disgusting? But I should take advantage of it. I was getting ready to leave. I'll have to think about it. Just washed my hair. All right, on the road. Let's go. Man, I've never been up this close and personal, these windmills. There's a bunch of them. Holy moly. It's definitely pretty. You can tell the wind's blowing, but no camping. So, I saw a place up the road I'm going to go check out. I got about 3 hours of sleep last night in a rest area. It stormed like crazy last night. Took down root and all a couple of trees in this rest area. I'm talking huge trees, and I'll take a photo. But I drove around for hours yesterday trying to find a place to stay. This place I took a quick photo of wanted $30 a night. No, not happening. So I'm going on about no sleep, and I gotta go get cleaned up and check out someplace today. You gotta know that this part of the country, from here on to Minnesota, northern Minnesota, there's not a lot of places to stay, so it'll probably be just rest areas and truck stops. So I'll probably see you at the hotel. Talk to you soon. So yeah, here's one of the trees, root and all, fell over. And this one over here by this building, back behind it. I'll be leaving here today. Weird happened last night when I was driving around the country. My speedometer said I was going, 45 or let's say 60. And Google Maps was saying I was going 15 miles under that. So that's when I pulled over at the rest area, went back there. And I was fiddling around with my electrical. Like, I just put my back windows down, and poof, it went from 15 miles an hour on the speedometer in park to 0. So I'm like, oh, it's fixed. Nah. But I read a bunch of stuff on Google, and it said that it's probably the pressure in the tires, which I'm pretty sure I was pretty sure of that because I came from Arizona where it's hot to now it's 55 degrees. So I went to this little gas station about 7 miles off the freeway. Really nice guy. Said that 2 of my tires had like 20 pounds of pressure in them. No kidding. Not good. So anyway, it fixed the problem. My tire pressure light went out, and the Google is on with the speedometer, so we're good there. Just stopped for some chicken and gizzards. Gizzards were really, really tough. Yuck. And I'm back on the highway. I'm going to look for, it's another city park. It's supposed to be free, but it's an old review, so we'll see. I'm literally only like 3 hours and 45 minutes from my destination, and I have like 5 days to kill. This is not good. That's not good. So, oh, this has got to be the best one yet. Lakeside Use Area is underwater, it seems. Oh my gosh. Look at that weather coming. Oh my. Oh well. Well, it ain't much, but it's free. Right in the city and across the street from restaurants, bar if you need it. Liquor store is where you had to check in. And yeah. So she's like, oh, don't worry about it. Just go ahead. I'm like, okay. So we're going to cruise right up here to this picnicky table. They even have electric, huh? Flooding. Oh, that's nice. And here I am. So this is where I'm staying because it's raining and it's yucky and I'm not going any further. Night night. Good morning, world. It is currently 46 degrees and it's chilly. I'm cold. No, I'm not. But I stayed at the free little park in town, and I think it was Benson, I want to say. I could be wrong. Anyway, it was a small town about 20 miles west of the freeway. So that was nice, and the lady I checked in with at the liquor store, she was super nice. And she goes, oh, you're just in your car? Yeah, just go ahead, park anywhere, you know. Although they didn't have a bathroom, so I got to use my bucket. And, of course, disposed of it at the other city park today. Anyway, I think I'm headed to a place called, if I remember right, Old Crossing Treaty County Park, something like that. It's about 3 hours now from where I'm at and pretty close to where I need to be. And I figured since the weather is about the same, might as well just get up there, right? So that's all I know for now. At least it quit raining and super cloudy, but it's all good. I'll see you soon. This is Zoe. Eddie. That's awesome. Yeah, I'm freaking getting out of this place before it floods. It was hailing and raining and the water was looking like it was gonna flood. And I'm like, no way, I'm not getting stuck out here. Ah, where to next? Good morning, world. So here I am at the perfect spot on my last leg of my journey. There's my little car. There's a cute little camper there. So, I haven't checked out the city yet, but I think it's right up that road. Right there. And we're gonna go. I took a shower last night. It was awesome. And I'm gonna head that way. It's kind of a weird situation, but it's in this building here. You have the bathroom and shower. There's only one stall each, but it works. I'm not kidding you. So I'm gonna show you the bathroom. I hate how I feel like people are watching me. So here's the bathroom and the shower. And let's find a light because it's kind of creepy. But yeah, I mean, it's not much and it's fairly clean except for the floor. But this is the bathroom. And then you walk over here. And it's very loud. But here's a huge shower. Huge, huge. A little curtain, which I thoroughly enjoyed last night, I'll tell you what. Alright, we'll check you out in a bit.